So for the spleen, there's reasons to take out a spleen in kind of two big categories: be traumatic and atraumatic reasons. So trauma, the spleen is one of the most commonly injured organs during a motor vehicle accident. It's also just very delicate. A lot of times people will just have a fall at home and land on their left side. Sometimes they'll end up with a splenic injury. Sometimes after colonoscopies or during surgeries, the spleen can be injured. My dad, when I was 15 years old, he had his spleen rupture in the middle of the night, and it was from mononucleosis, very common disease. Everyone hears about mono, we call it kissing disease, and the number one cause of death from mono was actually splenic rupture. Back then, Lincoln Surgical still existed, and a surgeon from Lincoln Surgical came in at like 2 in the morning and operated my dad and took out a spleen, saved his life, and here he is 26 years later, still doing fine, you know. So things like that do happen, and you just need to be prepared to deal with it. And that would be like in that category of traumatic things that can happen, even though it's actually from a disease state. You know, there's other viral illnesses that can cause your spleen to rupture too, but that's a rarity. It's less than 1% of people that have mono will have an issue with that, but it can happen. And for other disease states that you can electively take out a spleen, cancerous regions and non-cancerous reasons. Sometimes your spleen is sequestering or taking up platelets or red blood cells that, hey man, I need those in my circulatory system in order to like perfuse my organs, or I need them in my circulatory system in order to not bleed to death. And so then we take it out laparoscopically, and so that small incision thing, and take the spleen out and put it in the bag, take it out. If you do have a splenectomy, there's a series of vaccinations you need to get on a routine basis. The spleen helps protect you against certain types of infections. And so you need to be vaccinated on a regular basis for that.